Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archika from hashtagsandkeywords.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert your data into a table in Microsoft Excel. So keep watching. Okay, so let's take a look at how you can convert your ordinary looking data into a beautiful table in Microsoft Excel. So to do so, once you're done populating your data in your columns, all you need to do is to select the specific area or the cells that you want to convert into table. As soon as you select all your cells, this little icon will appear at the bottom right corner of your selection. You need to click on it once, and then from here you need to click on this tables, and then you need to click on table and see how wonderfully it has converted your data with just a few clicks. And it also has added headers for you for both the columns for your table, and you can edit it as per your preference. For now I am updating it as connect with me. Yeah, these are my social media handles listed over here, so you can connect with me. It will be good to connect with you all. So yeah, this is how you can convert your data into a table. And as you might have noticed that there's a little filter icon over here on your headers as well. So you can apply filters from here by just clicking on it. You can sort your data into alphabetical orders from A to Z or Z to A. And let's try sorting our data from A to Z, and to do so you just need to click on it once and see how wonderfully it has sorted the data from alphabetical order. And there's one more thing I would like to add over here. You can always expand your table by just clicking on this blue thing that is sitting right over here at the bottom right corner of your data, and I'm gonna long press it over here and drag it downwards, and it will add more rows for me to the table so I can add more data to the table. So yeah, this is all about converting data into table.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful and informative. If so, please spread the word by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. For more such informative articles, browse through my blogs on hashtagsandkeywords.com. Have a good day.